In support of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, IUCN invites the Union to utilize the Ecosystem Restoration Hub to amplify restoration successes and connect with other partners contributing to the UN Decade.
What is the Ecosystem Restoration Hub? The UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration is a rallying call for the protection and revival of ecosystems all around the world for the benefit of people and nature. It aims to halt the degradation of ecosystems and restore them to achieve global goals. Only with healthy ecosystems can we enhance people's livelihoods, counteract climate change, and stop the collapse of biodiversity. The UN Decade runs from 2021 through 2030, which is also the deadline for the Sustainable Development Goals and the timeline scientists have identified as the last chance to prevent catastrophic climate change. The Ecosystem Restoration Hub is a digital platform hosted by the UN Environment Programme, UNEP, that enables restoration implementers to showcase their contributions to the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration and connect with others in the global restoration community. How does IUCN engage with the Ecosystem Restoration Hub? IUCN is a global partner of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration and a referring partner through the Ecosystem Restoration Hub. IUCN invites members and Secretariat staff to showcase their work on this platform by submitting their restoration initiatives to the Ecosystem Restoration Hub and listing IUCN as the referring partner.
The following is the submission process for the Union. IUCN members, Commission experts, Secretariat staff, and other Union partners and constituents interested in showcasing their work on the Ecosystem Restoration Hub should follow the directions outlined below. These directions are intended for use by the project manager or focal point of the relevant restoration initiative being submitted. To start the upload process, the project focal point should visit the Ecosystem Restoration Hub homepage and create an account. From the homepage, navigate to the button which says Create an Initiative. Click on this button to start the process of submitting an initiative to the platform. The focal point will be responsible for submitting details on the initiative and acting as the contact person for inquiries made through the platform. Using the instructions shown on your screen, enter the information requested for your initiative. This will include details such as your initiative's mission, the geographic scope, the various benefits, your restoration target, and other impacts. All initiatives are required to list a referring partner. On this form, you'll see a drop-down menu, which gives an option to select the referring partner. From here, you should select International Union for Conservation of Nature, or IUCN. This step is essential to ensure that your initiative is properly reviewed and added to the IUCN network of projects on the platform. Once you have finished entering your initiative information, select the button at the bottom of the page which says Submit for Review. Your initiative will be reviewed through a two-stage process. First, by the UNEP team responsible for the platform, then by an IUCN reviewer. For your initiative to be published, both parties must approve the submission. In the event that either UNEP or IUCN feel revisions must be made to the submission to ensure compliance with the platform, the project focal point will receive a notification by email requesting a revision. You should follow any instructions provided before resubmitting your initiative. All of your initiatives, both drafts and submissions, will be viewable on your project dashboard, which can be found by selecting the button My Dashboard, shown in the top left-hand corner of the Hub's home screen or the submission window.
Once your initiative is approved, it will be published to the platform. Congratulations! Your initiative will now be publicly visible on the Ecosystem Restoration Hub, highlighted alongside other restoration initiatives from the IUCN network, which are contributing to the UN Decade. In the event that you would like to make a revision to your submission after it has been published, you can always do so through your account dashboard, ensuring the latest project impacts are documented on this site. For questions or additional guidance, please reach out to IUCN or the UN Decade team at UNEP.